How to duplicate a listing on Airbnb. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for airbnb.com. Now log in to your Airbnb account. Further, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and then select the Manage Listings option from the drop-down menu. Further, tap on the Listings option on the top and then go ahead and tap on Create New Listing option. When prompted, select the option to duplicate an existing listing. Choose the listing you wish to duplicate. Airbnb will copy most details from the original listing, including photos and descriptions. Further, carefully review and update specific details such as the address, pricing, availability, and policies to ensure accuracy. So this is how you can duplicate a listing on Airbnb. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.